Welcome aboard Kampai, a 2005 92-foot Mangusta SportYacht. I'm Kyle Dunn with Denison Yachting, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough at one of my newest listings. When it comes to my role in the brokerage process, there are a few things that I always look for. The two most obvious places to start are how a yacht feels and how it performs. And Kampai performs incredibly well in both categories. This yacht is equipped with some rather sophisticated systems, such as the ship's touchscreen computer control, which allows you to virtually monitor all of the vessel's systems and navigational equipment from the helm station. One of the things that makes the 92 Mangusta such a coveted boat is how easy it is to navigate while on board. She has a ton of interior volume with plenty of options for lounging. As I show you around Kampai, you'll get a pretty good idea of the volume this 92 offers. Her 22-foot beam and shallow 3-foot 8-inch draft make her a great fit for trips around the Caribbean. With that being said, let's kick off today's walkthrough all the way aft on the swim platform. The stern of Kampai makes for a great first impression. Facing forward, we see the garage. A large garage like this is perfect for storing water toys and storing fenders. Just a few steps up brings us to the aft deck, which I can guarantee will be where you spend a lot of time. This large aft deck has everything you might need to get you through the summer, including a lot of seating. Centerline is a beamy sun pad that ties in with an alfresco dining area. Underfoot throughout the entire main deck exterior are teak decks that look and feel great. As I told you when I introduced you to Kampai, walking around is made easy by how the yacht is laid out. You can see that when you look at her wide side decks that lead forward to the bow. The foredeck of this 92-foot sport yacht is one of my favorite places on board. This spacious layout with the sun pad ensures enough room for all guests on board. The best feature of this area is the collapsible bimini that covers the aft portion of the sun pad. Forward of this is the ground tackle, comprised of twin windlass anchors with 200 foot of chain. The profile of this 92 Mangusta is unmistakable. It's a silhouette that has become synonymous with the best parts of Italian yacht design. From here, follow me into the Salon. When I first walked into this space, I was blown away by how beamy it feels in here. The long and reaching windows running down both sides exaggerate the feeling of being connected with your surroundings. Aft in the Salon, to the starboard, is a wet bar. It's equipped with a sink, ice maker, and storage for stemware and bottles. Forward of this are your dueling couch and table setups, both port and starboard, giving this salon an inviting and inclusive feel. On the aft section of the port settee is an enlarged seating area, giving it a daybed feel. When you face aft and look to the port side, you can see the entrance to the galley and the crew space. At the bottom of the stairs, we first arrive in the galley. The melee appliances found down here are a cooktop, an oven, and a dishwasher. This area also doubles as the crew lounge. Outboard is the ship's laundry center. Just forward are a pair of crew cabins, each with its own wet head. Next up is the engine room. In here are dual MTU M91s, equipped with Rolls-Royce Kamewa jet drives. Each of these engines generates 2,000 horsepower. When she's out in open water with throttles pegged, she has a top speed of 29 knots. When she's at cruise speed, she has a range of 300 nautical miles. Outboard of the engines are a pair of Kohler EFOZ gensets. One of the most important features you'll find in this engine room is its Atlas shore power converter. let's jump back into the Salon and pick back up at the helm. With the same great visibility as the rest of the Salon, this helm is incredibly capable, equipped with Garmin electronics and joystick controls. Across her carbon fiber dashboard, you will find 3 multifunctional touchscreens. Within arm's reach of the captain are her engine throttles, thrusters, and central monitoring system. Facing the helm are a trio of leather electric helm seats, ensuring a comfortable ride for the yacht's captain and guests. From here, follow me below deck and aft, where we'll take a look at the master stateroom. In here, you're immediately welcomed by a centerline king berth. On the port side is a settee with storage on either side. After this is a walk-in closet. Exiting the closet, you can see the TV on the forward bulkhead. Moving to the starboard side now, there's more storage built around a vanity. Beyond this is a large stone-finished ensuite with a shower stall. Leaving the master and heading forward, we arrive at another stateroom on the starboard side, this one with a queen berth and ensuite. This ensuite has a second entrance in the companionway. Across the hall from this is the entrance to a twin stateroom that also has a Pullman berth. Facing forward, we see the entrance to the ensuite. Your VIP is located at the bow of the boat. This large VIP has plenty of storage and seating to either side of the berth. On behalf of the entire Denison team, thank you for joining me on today's walkthrough of the 92 Mangusta. If you want more information or would like to see her in person, please feel free to reach out at any time.